Водени от своята любов, Антония и Джейми ще съединят душите и сърцата си в едно. Dear friends and family, we are gathered here today to celebrate the love and commitment of Antonia and Jamie. Let me hear your big applause for the groom, Jamie, together with his best man and groomsman. And now let's welcome the maid of honor and the bridesmaids. Сега моля вашите силни аплодисменти за най-очарователната, най-красивата и най-щастливата булка днес, Антония и нейният скъп баща. Уважаеми гости, ще станем свидетели как те са намерили един в друг не само любов, но и приятелство, щастие и подкрепа. Истинската любов винаги се доверява, винаги се надява, любовта винаги побеждава. In this beautiful setting, to witness the union of two souls who have found in each other not only love, but also friendship, laughter, and unwavering support. Love always protects. Love always trusts, always hopes. Love never fails. Обещаваш ли да обичаш Джейми като негова съпруга? Да създадеш дом, където той да се чувства обичан и обгрижван? Антония, do you promise to love Jamie as his wife, receive him as your husband, to make a home where he will be loved and cared?
Yes, I do.
Jamie, do you promise to love Antonia as her husband, to receive her as your wife, to make a home where she will be loved and cared?
That's a blessing, some. Yes, I do.
And before everything else, I promise to love you and support you until death do us part, and even beyond that. I promise to laugh with you, dance with you, grow old with you, surrounded by our children and grandchildren. I vow to cherish.
Antonia, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Antonia, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I give you myself.
I give you myself.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I take you to be my wife,
I take you to be my wife,
my constant friend,
my constant friend,
and my love from this day forward.
and my love from this day forward.
Jamie, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Jamie, I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I give you myself.
I give you myself
With this ring,
with this ring.
I take you to be my friend,
I take you to be my friend,
my husband,
my husband,
and my love from this day forward.
and my love from this day forward.
Can I hear your applause, please? You have to consent to this union by signature. The best man and the maid of honor. За да отпразнуваме празника на вашата любов, ще вдигнете първата сватбена наздравица. To celebrate the feast of your love, you will raise the first wedding toast. Моля кумата да поднесе чашите. The maid of honor will serve the glasses to the newlyweds.
That's gravy!
Докато преминавате през пътуването на живота си заедно, не забравяйте всеки ден да се грижите за любовта, която ви доведе тук днес. Нека дните ви да са изпълнени с смях, сърцата ви да са пълни с радост и връзката ви да става по-силна с всеки изминал ден. Dear newlyweds, as you embark on this journey together, remember to nurture the love that passing moment. Със силата, която ми е дадена, и с любовта, която заобикаля всички ни. Сега ви обявявам за съпруг и съпруга. By the power vested in me and by the love that surrounds us all, I announce you husband and wife. For the very first time, Mrs. and Mr. Ritchie.